Hello children, welcome you all to this session. In previous session, we saw statement sum, that is number stories in addition. So in this session, we are going to see a recap of numbers up to 1000. Write numerals for the number names. Here they have given you the number names and you have to write numerals to that number names. First one, 561. 561. How will you write 561? So you will write 561. 561. Second one, 980. 980. So 980. 980. Third one, 326. So the answer will be 326. 326. So here they have given you the number names. By reading the number names, we wrote the numerals. First one is 561, second one 980, third one 326. Next one, write the number names for the following numerals. Here they have given you the numerals, that is numbers, and you have to write the number names for those. Come, let us write. First one, 789. So we have 7, 8, 9. 9 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, and 7 is in hundreds place. So the answer will be 789. So 198. So 8 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, and 1 is in hundreds place. So the answer will be 198. Third one, we have 429. Same way here, 9 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, which makes it as 29, and 4 is in hundreds place. So the answer will be 429. So here they have given you the numerals and we have written the number names for those. We have written 789, 198, 429. So till now we have seen writing numerals and writing number names. Next, write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. What is predecessor? Predecessor is the number which we write before, and successor is the number which we write after. That is, predecessor is before number, successor is the after number. So predecessor means before number, successor means after number. Okay, let us do 816. For 816, what will be the predecessor? 815, and successor 817. So 15, 16 and 17. The hundreds place remains same. Next one, 288. So the number is 288. What is the predecessor of 288? It is 287. Successor 289. Next one, 999. 999 is also the greatest three-digit number. So the 999 predecessor is 998. The successor of 999 is 1000. 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. So here we have seen predecessor and successor. Predecessor means before number, successor means after number. Next, we have write the number that comes in between the following numbers. Here, we have to write the numbers which comes in between the two numbers. First one, 890 and 892. For this, the answer will be 891. 890, 891 and 892. Next one, write the numbers in between 399 and 401. What comes after 399? After 399 we have 400. Next one, 710 and 712. What number comes between 710 and 712? After 10 we have 11. So it is 711. So here we have seen number which comes in between. So they have given you two numbers and you have to write the in between of those two numbers. Here we have written 891, 400, 711. Next one, write the place value and face value of the highlighted digit. Here they have given you the digits and you have to write the place value and face value of the highlighted digit. First one, 675. What is the place value of 5? What is place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, and hundreds. So 5 is in which place? 5 is in ones place. So the answer of 675 and the value of 5 is just 5. It is 5 ones. Next one we have 869. So 6 is in ones, tens place. So 6 is in tens place. So the value of 6 is 60 because it is in tens place. 236. So 6 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. 2 is being highlighted. So 2, the value of 2 is 200. So place value means is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, like ones, tens and hundreds. Next comes the face value. Face value of a digit is the same as the digit itself. So, the face value of each digit in a number is the same as the digit itself. So, the face value of 5 is 5 itself. The face value of 6 is 6 itself. The face value of 2 in 236 is 2 itself. So, place value and face value. In place value, we have to write the value of the digits according to its position, and in face value, the face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Next one, write the expanded form for the following numbers. What is expanded form? Expanded form is we break a number or split a number according to its place value by expanding it to show the value of each digit. First one we have 665. So 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place and 6 is in hundreds place. So while expanding it comes as 600 plus 60 plus 5, which is 665. Next one, 951. So when we expand this 951, it can be written as 900 plus 50 plus 1, which comes as 951. Next we have 203. Here if you see, in ones place we have 3, in tens place we have 0 and in hundreds place we have 2. So the tens place doesn't have a value here. So while expanding you can write it as 200 plus 3 because in tens place there is no value. So you can write it as 200 plus 3. So in this thing, we have seen expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form is to show the value of the each digit by splitting it or breaking it up. Next, we have standard form of the given numbers. You have to Write the standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is the short form for the given number. You have to write the numbers in the normal form. In expanded form, we broke the number or split a number and wrote it according to its place value. So it is a kind of place value. When it comes to standard form, we are writing the number in the normal form. That is, you can have it as face value form. That is, in 700 we can write it as 7. In 20 we can write it as 2. And 1 you can write it as same. So the value of first one is 7, 2, 1. 721. Second one we have 900 plus 60 plus 7. So in 100, 900 we take 9, then 6, then 7. It can be read as 967. Here we have 300 plus 30. In ones place we don't have any. So we are writing it as 330. Which here 0 represents the ones place, which is 0 ones. So 330. Yes, children, in this session, we saw how to write number names and numerals before and after, that is predecessor and successor, and in between numbers. And we wrote place value, face value, expanded form and short form. In next session, we will see few more sums in numbers up to 1000. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you, children.